Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm in Australia. It's been really hot here today and I've opened a couple of parcels, and I got one here from Chris Azzopardi. Oh no, Azzopardi. And this is an entry in my challenge, my 5-year on YouTube challenge. This is good sticky tape you got. That's good to have good sticky tape. It's not very good. Oh, come on, you can do this on. You get it undone. Oh dear, I'm not working too good at it anyway. I might have to rip along there without tearing your dress off that. Sorry about that. Chris, I'm getting it. Don't you panic, nobody. I can't get through the corner. I don't know what's the matter with my hands these days. Now I've got to really botch that up, but I'll keep the outside piece. Look at the bear. Isn't he beautiful? I love bears. I love bears. Oh, look at this. Hi Sonia, congratulations. Wow, 5 years. Sorry I hadn't choose just one. I couldn't choose just one. Oh, my scissors. All my fabric scissors are blunt. What? So I couldn't cut them to the size. Oh, okay, hope they don't smell bad. They have been packed away in a suitcase for years since my doll making days. I'm sure they'll be very nice, thank you very much. And she lives in Victoria. I know fabric does get everything does after it's put away for a while, but I'm sure this is good. Oh, look at this. Wow. Oh dear. Oh, isn't that cool? Oh dear, I love that. That is beautiful. Well, lovely. Oh, look at this one here. Look at this. This might be a little bit of an older piece of fabric, and by gee, this is nice, isn't it? Wow. Thank you so much, Chris. This is cool, isn't it? Look at that. This might have been made back in a couple of years ago, don't you think? Isn't it beautiful? I love it. With little bikes and little kids riding bikes and horsey things. Oh, isn't that nice? Thank you so much, Chris. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely. And I'm terrible because I keep looking at the next thing. Look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, dear. I just do love things with faces. For some reason, like dolls and things. Look at this. Isn't it? Oh, it's amazing. Oh, where did you buy these, I suppose? Oh, isn't this cool? Love it. Oh, it's beautiful. And you know something? It do not smell at all. See, there you go. I wasn't thinking it was going there, but I just thought I'd put your mind at ease. It's perfectly beautiful. Isn't this cool? Oh dear. Oh, thank you so much, Chris. This is so awesome. Oh, I've got the idea of the book. I've started a bit of it, and I'll be busy. And it's going to be a big book, isn't it? Oh, thank you so much, Chris. I love them. Love every piece of it. Thank you so much, darling. I appreciate you sending me that and entering into my competition, and thank you for being one of my new subscribers. I do have a few of them. Now thank you all so very, very much for subscribing to my channel. Okay, now I'll talk to everybody later. Okay, I better go. Okay.